Welcome to our video on communication and service delivery. In today's fast-paced world, effective communication is essential in providing quality service to customers. It's the key that unlocks successful interactions and ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, let's dive into the role of communication in delivering exceptional service. Communication serves as the foundation for building relationships with customers. It allows us to understand their needs, provide personalized solutions, and make them feel valued. By actively listening and effectively communicating, we can create positive experiences that leave a lasting impression. Now, let's explore some practical tips for effective communication with customers. Tip number 1: active listening. When interacting with customers, it's crucial to give them your full attention. Listen not only to their words but also to their tone and body language. By actively listening, you can better understand their needs and concerns, allowing you to provide tailored solutions. Tip number 2: clear and concise communication. Avoid using technical jargon or complicated language that might confuse customers. Instead, use simple and understandable language to explain solutions clearly. This ensures that customers fully grasp the information and feel confident in the resolution you provide. Tip number 3: empathy and genuine concern. Show empathy towards customers by acknowledging their frustrations and concerns. Let them know that you genuinely care about their issues and are committed to resolving them. This builds trust and creates a positive emotional connection. Now, let's look at some real-life examples of companies that excel in delivering quality service through effective communication. One remarkable example is Nordstrom. They are known for their outstanding customer service, and communication plays a pivotal role in their success. Nordstrom empowers their employees to go above and beyond, ensuring that every customer feels heard and valued. Another exceptional company is Ritz-Carlton. They prioritize communication and train their staff to anticipate customers' needs. By actively engaging with guests and providing personalized experiences, Ritz-Carlton has earned a reputation for unparalleled service. These companies understand that effective communication is a cornerstone of quality service. By investing in their employees' communication skills and creating a customer-centric culture, they consistently exceed customer expectations. In conclusion, communication plays a vital role in providing quality service. By actively listening, communicating clearly, and showing empathy, we can create exceptional experiences for our customers. Take inspiration from companies like Nordstrom and Ritz-Carlton, and strive to excel in delivering outstanding service through effective communication. Thank you for watching.